What is your name?
My name is Angeline Habichuela,
How old are you?
33 years old,
What is your religion?
Roman Catholic.
Are you married?
No,
Do you have son or daughter?
I have one son,
How old your son?
13 years old,
How long you have been working in Hong Kong?
2 years.
Do you have working experience in other countries?
Yes,
Okay. Where?
Malaysia,
Okay. How long you have been working with your current employer in Hong Kong?
2 years.
Where is your latest employer living in?
Taiko, June.
How many square feet of your employer's house?
How many?
Square feet.
3,000 square feet.
How many family members are they?
2.
Two. Elderly
Yes.
couple?
Erdit.
Elderly couple. Okay. How old are they?
69 the
Sir?
sir and 70 ma'am.
Okay. Would you please describe your daily working schedule? What time you wake up in the morning?
We wake up 6:30 and
Mm-hmm.
then we're going to set the table and then arrange their breakfast and
Okay.
then we're going to assist them if they're going out.
Okay.
And then until 9:30 or 10:30 we finish the work.
So do you do the household chores?
Yes.
Like what?
Cleaning, cooking, and ironing, washing, and then gardening.
Do you go to market?
Yes.
Okay. So do you prepare dinner?
Yes.
What time?
6:30 to 7.
What time do you eat for the dinner?
7:15.
Okay. Until what time you go to sleep?
9:30 to 10.
Where will you go in your holiday?
Only at home.
Only at home. Okay. What kind of household chores are you good for?
Cooking.
Cooking. Okay. How about taking care kids or elderly? Are you good?
Yes.
Okay. So what is your job in your country before you came to Hong Kong?
Sales lady.
Okay. Thank you.